Hello, you're welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony, and in this video we'll be looking at an interesting question which says a vehicle tank was 3/5 full of petrol. When 21 liters of fuel was added, it was 5/6 full. How many liters of petrol can the tank hold? Let's have a little demonstration before we solve the question. But in case it's the first time of watching this video or coming across this video, please do well by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Thank you. Okay, let's have a little demonstration. This is the tank of the vehicle. This can be the tank of the vehicle which has 3/5 full of petrol. This is water, but let's take this is 3/5 full of petrol. This is the tank of a car having 3/5 full of petrol. This is the quantity of fuel the tank is having. But they said when 21 liters of fuel was added to it. So in my hand is 21 liters of fuel. So I'm adding 21 liters of fuel to this tank. This is now I added 21 liters to the existing 3/5 full of petrol. I've added 21 liters of fuel to this tank. It became 5/6 full. This is 5/6 full, not actually filled to the brim. This is 5 in fraction form. This is 5/6 filled of petrol. This is an imaginary demonstration. Now, how many liters of petrol can the tank hold? Now, what quantity will be enough to fill this tank of petrol? How many quantity? How quantity or how large or how is the amount of petrol this tank can hold? Alright, if you understand this demonstration, it's easier to solve now. Alright, we have 3/5 was the initial quantity of the petrol, but this was the quantity that was added. This quantity increased when this is 3/5 the initial value or quantity of the petrol, but when 21 liters was added to this quantity, it became 5/6 filled of petrol. Now we're going to subtract this 5/6 from we're going to subtract 3/5 from this 5/6, meaning that 5/6 was the quantity when 21 liters was added. So we're going to subtract 3/5 initial quantity of the petrol. Take away 3/5. What are we subtracting? To know the fraction form of 21. They say 21 liters was added. So let's subtract this from this. Now we are quickly going to look at the LCM of 5 and 6. Okay, let's quickly look at the LCM of 5 and 6. Because they are different denominators. We can have 2 here, 2 can divide 6, we have 3, 2 into 5 cannot. We have 3 again, 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 5 cannot. We bring 5, 5 into 1, bring down 1, 5 into 5 is 1. Our LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. So our LCM for these denominators is 30. I can write my 30. 30 divided by 6, it will give me 5. 30 divided by 5, it will give me 6. Okay. 5 times 5, it will give us 25. Take away 3 times 6, it will give us 18. So 25 take away 18. Gently, we have our 25 take away 18. 5 take away 8, it cannot. We borrow from here, here becomes 1, here becomes 15. 15 take away 8, if you count, it will give you 7. 1 take away 1 is 0, and 0 means nothing. So our answer is 7/30. So our answer here is 7/30. Now, this 7/30 is the same thing as 21 liters that was added. That's what it means. This is the fraction form of 21 liters that was added. Meaning that when 21 liters of fuel was added, the value became 5/6. So remember there was an existing fraction before. So we need to subtract this from this. Whatever you have is the same quantity like 21 liters. So meaning that this one is a fraction form of 21 liters. That's what it means. But the question is asking us, what is the capacity of the fuel tank? What's the value or capacity of the tank can hold? So 7/30 of 7/30 of the whole tank. I will represent the value or the quantity of the whole tank as X. 7/30 of the whole tank, it will give me, it will be 21, because 7/30 is 21. 7/30 of this, of X, is going to give us 21. And of in mathematics means multiplication. So therefore 7/30 times X is equals to 21/1. 7 times X, it will give us 7X over 30 is equals to 21/1. When you cross multiply, 7x multiplying 1, it will give us 7x is equals to 30 times 21. This is cross multiplying. 30 times 21, we are multiplying 30 multiplied by 21. Now 7x, the quickest way to multiply when you have a multiple of 0. Now let's do it this way. 21, 30. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. We have 0, 3, 6. So 30 times 21 will give us 630. So divide both sides by 7. 7 will cancel 7. We have X is equals to. Now we begin to divide. 7 into 63. How many times will 7 go into 63? Or if you do your multiples, if you know your multiples very well, 7 times 7 will give us 40 now, which is not close to 63. So 7 times 9 will give us 63. So the closest is 9. 7 into 63 is 9. Because 7 times 9 will give us 63. 7 into 0, it will give us 0. So the quantity the tank can hold is 90 liters. Do we have 90 on the board? Yes. Our answer is B. I have to take it step by step so that you can able to understand and also solve any question given to you. So the quantity the tank can hold is 90 liters. And our answer is B. So we have an interesting question on the board too. An overhead tank was 2/3 full of water. This is the initial quantity of the water. But when 20 liters of water was added to this quantity, it became 3/4 full. How many liters of water can the tank hold? In the same vein, solve this and let's know what your answer is. Send in your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much and be blessed. Bye-bye.